Where can you find training and education designed to give your team the tools you need to be successful in your pursuit of equipment reliability? The answer at POLARIS Laboratories 2023 Reliability Summit, Integrate. Hi, I'm Brian Debshaw, CEO of POLARIS Laboratories, and I'm here at Back 9 Entertainment, the host spot for our customer appreciation event taking place during our 8th annual Reliability Summit in October, right here in the heart of Indianapolis. This year, we've revolutionized our annual training conference to provide education on every aspect of your fluid analysis program, regardless of your level of knowledge or expertise. When you attend, you will find there's learning opportunities for everyone with topics like expanding your use of Horizon, ways you can increase program compliance, how to make sampling safer, easier, and faster, and how to eliminate silos by integrating fluid analysis data. Integrate is the conference you need to attend this fall. Attend Integrate and gain more than education through learning sessions. Experience a first-hand look at not one, not two, but 3 industry facilities through exclusive tours. The Cummins Augmented and Virtual Environmental Lab tour will provide attendees with a look inside the OEM and a glimpse of what engineers and scientists are creating, testing, and evaluating to prepare for the future of manufacturing. The U.S. Aggregates Facility and Mine Tour will be explosive. Lock in your spot to see their 460-acre site and get a glimpse into their mining operations and reliability program. See how U.S. Aggregates mines and processes limestone while getting a first-hand look and feel of raw material reduction with the use of explosives. And as always, I'll be facilitating a tour of our state-of-the-art laboratory and headquarters located here in Indianapolis during the summit. From the time your sample hits our facility doors, to the laboratory testing, to the analysis of the data, and the customer support, and everything in between, this tour will give you an exclusive look into the daily operations of our laboratory. So here's my question for you. Is your reliability up to par? Register today for Integrate. Score your long drive and prepare your team for their A game and reliability. I look forward to seeing you there.